Welcome to Top Car Edition. The 2025 Volvo XC90 may not have had a full redesign in the past decade, but it still stands as a top luxury midsize SUV. With its sleek exterior and premium interior, the XC90 remains a favorite among luxury car enthusiasts. And get ready, because exciting updates are coming soon. While early 2025 models won't have these changes, Volvo is rolling out a refresh in the first quarter of 2025, featuring bold new styling and enhanced interior features to keep the XC90 ahead of the competition. So why is the 2025 Volvo XC90 generating buzz? It's because Volvo has packed this SUV with everything you want: cutting-edge tech, powerful engine options, and luxury features that every driver will appreciate. Inside, the Volvo XC90 impresses with its premium materials like open-pore wood and soft leather throughout the cabin. However, some may find the ride slightly firm, especially with the larger 22-inch wheels on rough roads. Still, the driving experience is refined and comfortable overall. One of the most exciting updates coming in mid-2025 is the new 11.2-inch infotainment display. Volvo is also upgrading sound insulation, redesigning the dashboard, and fine-tuning the suspension for a smoother, more comfortable ride. And if you don't want to wait for the new version, current models are still available, often at discounted prices. The 2025 XC90 offers 3 potent engine options, each tailored to different driving styles. The base model includes a 247 HP 4-cylinder engine, offering a solid balance of power and fuel efficiency. Want more power? Step up to the 295 HP version, enhanced with a supercharger for extra boost. Both of these models also come equipped with a 48-volt hybrid system for improved fuel economy. For those looking for top-tier performance, the plug-in hybrid model delivers an impressive 455 horsepower and can travel up to 33 miles on electric power alone, making it a perfect choice for eco-conscious drivers. For the best blend of luxury and value, the mid-range plus trim with the 295 HP engine is a smart choice. Need seating for the whole family? The XC90 offers configurations for up to 7 passengers, though the third row may feel tight for adults. With plenty of cargo space, the XC90 is also an ideal family SUV. Towing capabilities vary by model, with the plug-in hybrid and 295 HP models capable of towing up to 5,000 pounds, while the 247 HP version can tow up to 4,000 pounds.